Yeah.
I ain't lose my friends to see y'all playing with my culture. I used EBT to buy this chip that's on my shoulder. Could lock me all alone and put me in the room that's soundproof. I ain't gotta talk, you know my actions gon' speak volumes. Scary when they crowd you and don't really wanna be with you. It's scary as your block when you got oppas when they creeping through. It's scary as the pressures from the nigga that believe in you. It's scary as the ex that you done told all your secrets to. Shit, it's me or you. I've been famished every motherfucking day. This my granny if she stand in front my motherfucking way. Everybody K, nigga I done tapped in a whole nother frequency. I'm screaming who wants static, I done had it. Oh, you don't like to talk facts cause you emotional. You got open wounds so you don't like how they be poking you. My mama sold cans to see her son become disposable. I pray this black cloud I got don't make me less approachable. Oh, we killing our own and we killing our cubs. They sipping shit to them blood ain't thicker than mud. I'm gripping the tip of this roach until my fingers is numb.